How to backup WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can backup your WhatsApp chats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You have to understand one thing, right? Because WhatsApp, unlike Messenger and TikTok, they don't store your messages on their own server. It is up to you, because WhatsApp is a privacy focused application, whether you want to back them up or not. Now normally how this works is that if you're on any Android device, the way you can back it up is to your Google Drive account, and if you're on iOS device, you have to back up to your iCloud account. The process I'm going to show you is on my Android phone, but you can repeat the similar process for iOS as well. So what you actually want to do is open up WhatsApp. Make sure that your main primary Google account is also logged in on your phone, right? And once you've done that, just tap the three dots option here and then go to settings. Then I want you to go to chats. Then right over here you'll be able to see this option called chat backup. Tap on chat backup. And first of all, you can also select the Google account where you want to backup. So make sure to select a proper Google account. Once you've selected that Google account, over here you will be able to see it. Now you can start tapping on the backup option. Before you do that, you can also choose whether you want to actually allow WhatsApp to access all this, or whether you also want WhatsApp to go ahead and then back up the photos and videos. Depending upon what you want, you can back them up. And the way you can restore this is, if you're logging in from a new phone, most likely you'll be asked a prompt whether you want to restore your backup. You have to tap the restore option at the very beginning to restore all of your backups. This way you'll be able to back up WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.